It's a skill that everyone should have.
Yeah.
Like you learn to drive, you learn to cook, you learn how to do your taxes, and you learn how to put on false lashes. Yes. Hi, welcome back to the Adore Beauty YouTube channel. My name's Amy Clark. I'm the senior editor here at Adore. And today I am joined by another fellow redhead. Please introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Chloe and I'm from the customer experience team here at Adore Beauty.
And the reason why Chloe is here with us today is because we are talking all things false lashes, namely how to apply false lashes perfectly every time. And Chloe is actually a lash expert.
Yes, I am a lash technician. I'm also a lash enthusiast. I've been wearing lashes ever since high school.
You have a controversial opinion that false lashes are easier than mascara.
I think they are because mascara, you get them everywhere, and when you rub your eyes, it doesn't come off in like a smooth strip. You're just left with it everywhere.
Okay.
Even when I was working at the warehouse, we would start at 5 a.m. and I just popped on false lashes every day. You can ask anyone there.
I think this is just wild that you think false lashes are so easy that you would do them at 4:30 in the morning because it was easier than mascara.
I'll show you. It takes like 2 seconds.
Okay, I'm shook.
I love lashes. I feel really bold right now.
You're like, don't look at me.
I don't. No close-ups, please.
So in today's video, Chloe is going to be taking me, a false lash newbie, through step-by-step how to apply false lashes perfectly every time. I want to know, in your experience, what are the main mistakes that people are making?
When you don't cut the lashes properly, it tends to jab into like your tear duct area and people get really irritated with that. That's why their eyes get red. Let's say your eyes are smaller or like shorter. If you don't cut the outsides of the lashes, your eyes will look droopy and it will droop your makeup down. That's not something you want.
No.
I also don't think people use enough glue. I don't know if I use too much glue. If your lashes are falling off mid-event or like midday, I think use some more glue.
So step one is to choose your lash.
Lashes come in like all different shapes and sizes. You can get thick ones, you can get more natural ones. It's important to get a lash that caters to your eye type, that complements your eye type. So like they come in doll eyes, like cat eyes, kittens. So today we're going to be using the Ardell Demi Wispies. And I've actually been using Demi Wispies since high school, so I'm excited that we have it.
Throwback.
Yeah, so this is this is natural for me, but it'll probably be, something that you would.
This is just my everyday packing Adore Beauty orders in the warehouse lash.
Me.
And this one does actually come with the glue, but you can also buy glue separately.
I like to put this in my bag for like in case it pops off. I'll just chuck it on.
So we open this. I stash that away somewhere.
So when you take off the lashes, you don't want to ruin the curl. So what I do is I bend the thing backwards and then you kind of slowly peel the lashes off.
Okay. I don't have the dainty fingers of a lash technician.
There you go.
Sweating. I'm sweating.
You did it.
Yay. Okay.
So next would be cutting the lashes. If you want a less dramatic look, cut from the outer corners because lashes tend to be longer at the outer corners.
Yeah.
And if you want a more dramatic look, cut from the inner corners. But you have to measure it to your eyes first because if you cut too much of it off, it's
not good.
Not good.
No. Okay.
Okay, I like to tilt my mirror up. You want to make sure that it's not drooping down and that there's a little gap in between the inner corners. And for me, for my eye type, the outer corners as well. I'm just going to cut off half this section here. Have your arm tilted up. Yeah, and have the lashes sit on your lashes.
Like this. I think my natural lashes are just too beautiful and it's just making it really hard. Like that?
Yeah, that's tilted too much.
Oh, okay.
So you kind of let's 45-degree angle.
It's stuck. I don't think this is right.
Try to get it on like the lid.
Chloe, I'm trying. I've just had a lash lift probably like 8 weeks ago and still half of my lashes are like...
Slowly turn here when you can. Okay, with this one, I would cut a little bit off the ends just to avoid the droopiness. Cut it from the band. Don't cut it this way in case you damage the lashes.
My hands are shaking.
Yeah, rest your elbows. Okay. Amy's scared of these lashes.
Okay. There we go.
Yes. My glue looks so ugly. It's a little bit crusty. Oh my god, don't. She's tired in the morning.
You can edit that bit out, right? Yep. Keep it in.
Hold it like so. Are you left-handed or right-handed?
I'm right-handed.
Yeah. Okay. I'm right-handed too. Have a little bubble of glue come out like so as you kind of draw it on your lashes. Air bubbles might come out and it will explode all over your lashes. Carefully running it on the lash line. On the lash band, sorry.
You are an artist. Okay.
This is the amount of glue I like to put on.
And presumably this glue, it dries clear?
Yeah, it dries
clear.
How long do you wait?
10-15 seconds. You kind of like feel the glue.
Okay. Listen to the glue.
Yeah.
You don't want to put it on right away, but we want the glue to be a little bit tacky.
Yeah. So I put more glue on the ends of the lashes more and less on the center. I like to mold it like this, mold the lash band and head tilt up. This is really high pressure.
Yeah, don't stuff it up.
Oh my god. Here we go. And you just put it on, let it sit on top of your lashes. And then afterwards, just go in with your eyeliner to conceal the band. So the lashes are here and the eyelid is here. It just sits nicely on top. I like to stick it on my eyelids because I don't have lashes.
Okay. Any tips for anyone who has kind of fumbling sausage fingers like myself? Is that when I would maybe use some tweezers?
Yeah, you can use some tweezers. I like to use 2 hands to make sure the inner corner and the outer corner is pressed in.
Okay.
What else?
All
And
right.
just breathe.
Okay, so
Oh! See? Imagine that around the lashes.
Oh, okay, yeah, I understand.
Wait, that's gonna
Yeah.
with the lash.
Chloe. Good? A bit more?
A little bit more. Do you know the angle that we came down from before?
Yeah.
When you applied it onto your lashes.
Okay, but first I'm doing this, right?
Yeah.
So now I'm
Molding. the lash.
molding.
Also hot tip, if you can't get your lashes on right, just wear eyeliner and then you can just chuck it wherever.
I've done one side. Are you doing a close-up?
Yep.
So don't go too close because I actually think, it's my first time.
Yeah.
You can't, it would be strange if I got it right the first time. Chloe has assured me that I can salvage this situation by putting mascara on.
The way I use mascara for false lashes is I just like to blend in my lashes. It kind of creates like a glue between your lashes and the false lashes. So it's not like sticking down or
Beautiful.
sticking
All right. I'm actually just not sure if mascara is going to be enough to save me.
Mascara. It's just not my friend.
This is the completed look.
Yes.
Just leave a comment below with what you think.
Your eyes are both different shapes. Well, they can be different. Mine are different. So one I have to cut off a lot more lashes on and the other one is not too much. I don't remember which one is which, but you have to measure it. You have to measure all your lashes.
I am the glue.
Try holding it maybe at the ends. Use your tweezers. What do you reckon?
Oh,
So it's easier to...
this corner.
Yeah.
No, not there.
Not there.
You do you. Don't worry about me over here.
The glue told me it was ready.
Oh, right. Oh my god. I thought the point of this video was to show me how easy it is.
Practice makes perfect. And after you're done applying the lashes, I like to press it into my eyelid. Amy, you're doing the job.
Ah!
Oh
Oh.
my god.
It's okay. You're put the tweezers down. No, I'm trying to get my actual lashes out the way because I can't get... Don't look at me like that.
No.
Okay.
I don't think that's bad. Honestly, everything's hard when you do it for the first time. This is
Like
your
that?
first time, no? Yeah.
Can you see that?
Gorgeous.
So beautiful. So if I have stuffed up, can I put new glue on this, or is this lash dead now?
No. So you can wait for your glue to dry, and you can gently peel it off. So Amy's lashes are really curly, which is why she has to look a bit more down and angle the lashes a bit more.
My eyes are watering. I'm just gonna have a single tear just rolling down my cheek. You can see the difference between how Chloe's done it this side versus my beautiful work on this side.
You do look very glam, Amy.
This is where we just get some, like, wind machine
glam shots. Well, Amy, that was pretty much all I could teach you today. I hope you guys found that useful. I hope you got some tips and tricks out of it.
And if you want to watch more videos on the Adore Beauty channel, click here somewhere for more videos. And I'm just going to go stare at how amazing I look in the mirror. So bye.